Soybeans dipped lower on Thursday, even though USDA announced another flash sale of 4.8 million bushels of beans to China. Michelle Rook has more on how we might be ending the week in markets now.
Row crops were lower on Thursday, cattle to the plus side. Tommy Grassafi with Nesvig Trading joining us with analysis. All right, Tommy, soybeans sitting back a little bit. I have to feel like one, we're running up into chart resistance, but it also feels like maybe the market is kind of disappointed about what's going on with China.
Yeah, we're seeing gentle sales to China. It looks like they're meeting their obligation barely. A lot of talk that they're buying the 12, this 25 every year. I don't see it, Michelle. So I'm not seeing it in the cash markets. I'm not seeing it in the exports. They definitely came in for a little bit. And you know what? That's what they normally buy just to get by. So we have South American harvest that's going to happen. And like you said, we're starting to hit those moving averages.
Yeah, let's talk about the report. What do you think's already programmed in here for corn and soybean yield? Because that's going to be the real focus, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we have a little natural buying right now with some rebalancing. They're buying about 10,000 corn a day, maybe a little beans. That's supportive market. Wheat's doing okay. The report, we would love to see a surprise. Don't forget the government was shut down for 45 days. Your guess is as good as mine. Before we look at the report, I look at the cash markets. They're soft. That means we have a lot of grain. No one seems panicked. So if we're running out of corn, wheat, or beans, I sure don't see it. If there's one thing I'm optimistic about, is that we know we have great demand in corn. So if the corn yield was down, not just a few bushels, we're going to need more than that, like 4 or 5 bushels, we could become, for a day or two, explosive in corn.
And the cattle market, two-sided on Thursday, but ultimately ended higher. And that market has really been led by strong cash, and the feeders are the leaders.
We are even shocked ourselves when we quote these cash cattle trades. If someone needs them, they went out and bought them, and it's all tied, not all tied, but a lot of it's tied into Texas, and that this border does not look to be opening anytime soon. We did see a little pressure on the market at one point during the week, where we get more cases of screwworm reported getting closer to the United States. Michelle, I'm going to say it. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when screwworm hits the United States.
All right, thanks
Oh,
so much, Tommy Grisapi with Nesvig Trading and Markets Now.